Another wee video about the oyster breeds. I noticed that one was upside down. I don't know how that happened, but I'll try and make it right this time. I've took the blade plate back off again. I'm just turning it with my hand. And what I meant to do as well was connect the 3 wires together and feel how strong the brake was. Just to make sure. It should be alright, but we'll try again anyway. But there, just with me doing that, I'm 5, 7, 10 watts. Wait to see. Watts, I keep saying watts, I've got watts in my head now. That's because of that radio. Volts even. And that's it, DC volts, mind it's still through the diode rectifier. And that's a boy up there. It's Slovenia, I can't mind now. My wee pocket rocket. Look, there's 14 volts, just with spinning it with my hand, 11 volts. So now I'll need to test the brake. Just unscrew this. Pouring the rain out there, so I don't want to take it outside till it'll get all wet. And I'll probably get a few shocks. Keeps you alive right enough, but I've had a few of them in my lifetime. Biggest one I've had was 3000 volts off one of my ham radio amplifiers a few years ago. Shook for a week, that was good fun. But, don't put your fingers into things you don't know about. I've always got my fingers in. That's how you learn. But this is not long enough to connect together now. I should have maybe cut them a wee bit longer. Well, I didn't cut them at all, they were like that. I just shoved them into the connector block. Give them a wee snip a bit longer. I'll get myself a pair of wire strippers again. Seem to lose everything, especially when you do ham radio and towers and aerials and stuff like that. You take tools out and leave them lying up the hill there, forget about them, go back looking for them later on and they're not there, hiding in the grass somewhere. But then you've got walkers now and again, maybe going by and seeing a shiny thing and say, oh aye. But that's my fault for leaving them at my arse, innit? Right, we'll see how strong the brake feels on it now, if you get this twisted round. Never even thought to do this before I started making this video. Anyway, I'm doing the 3 of them. Oh, that's solid. Aye, that's a good brake. Definitely. There's no much turning in that. You can feel it. When I was spinning it with the rotator blade on it, the plate even, you could feel how strong the motor was inside it. But that brake there, that's take a lot of wind to turn that, so you just furlough it out the wind. Put a wee cord on the tail if you need. Sometimes if it gets too crazy, I do that with the wee VVOR one, the Chinese thing. Alright, a wee thing, you know what I mean? It's withstood the gales we get here, so hopefully this one does the same, but I can quite imagine it will. But aye, that's a good brake. I like that. I don't think the wee one's as strong as that. I never really checked it, you know that. It's just gaining knowledge on these things and saying, right, better check that. But aye, happy with that. I was going to come out during the night and dig a hole. Get a tower in and get it up, but Rome wasn't built in a day, it took a couple of days. Anyway, take it easy people. Catch you later. Hasta pronto, ciao.